Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a student discount on Apple products. Basically, you can get student discount on any Apple product. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how you can do this. Now, you want to search on Google for discount or student discount on Apple products, and you want to click on the first website, the first result. Now, as you can see here, guys, like most of the time, like almost like all the products you can see here are available with a student discount. Okay, so I'm going to for example, any product you see with this icon here, as you can see, is available with a student discount. Now I'm going to scroll down. For example, I'm going to search for something else. As you can see, this Magic Keyboard here for iPad, it's $329 with education savings. Now I'm going to click on it, and let's say that I want to purchase this. As you can see, it's available for $329. Okay, so, and also you can pay for it monthly for 11 months. As you can see in there, that you can see your education savings. Make sure it says their education savings so that you can take advantage of it. As you can see, get 3% daily cash with Apple Card. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to select here the color that you want, and here the size. I'm going to go with iPad Pro 11 inch. Okay, 11 inch. Now as you can see, the price here is $280, which is reduced. Now I'm going to click here on add to bag. Okay, so just click here on add to bag. After that, it's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, so as you can see, this is the device that we want to purchase. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you will see here education savings available to current and newly accepted college students and their parents, as well as staff and homeschool teachers of all grade levels. Okay, so if you want to pay for this monthly, you can always check out with Apple Card here, monthly installments, as you can see, or you can pay in full, as you can see. Now in this case, I'm paying for 2 devices, as you can see, but I'm going to select one only here. As you can see, the price here is $280. Just click on checkout. It's available with student discounts. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can take advantage of this. I'm going to click here on guest. I'm going to click continue as a guest, and you just need to enter here your own personal information. Here, how would you like to get your order? You can select I'll pick it up, or I would like it delivered. And here you just need to enter here the zip code. I'm going to enter here the zip code and click on save location for future save visits. After that, you want to click on apply, and that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. You can chat them here. If you have any questions, just click on chat now, and you will be able to talk to someone that will help you with anything you want. Okay, just click on visit or click on connect with a specialist here, and then you can talk to them directly. You can click on sign in, sign with us online, or call us. Okay, you can use like their phone directly, and then they will call you guys. Okay, or you can call them. As you can see, this is the number. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Hopefully this one helped you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.